Welcome to Edney Studios. I am Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to do this 4K edit.
I have a plan. Attack.
Without further ado, let's get started. I already have my clips imported and cut them so we don't waste too much time. From here, we are going to slow down the clips and also set it to better quality. Do same for all the remaining clips. Now we are going to make sure the edit sequence goes according to the music or the beat.
Attack.
We are going to create a zoom effect. To do this, go to the beginning of the clip and create a keyframe. Go to the end of the clip and create another keyframe. Do this for the remaining clips. Now go to the beginning of the keyframe and zoom into the image. You can also do the reverse zoom effect by going to the end and zooming in the image. Go to graphs and choose flow 2. Do this for the remaining clips. So with what we have done, This is what we have so far.
I have a plan. Attack. I have a plan. Attack.
Add a glow-based transition here to give it a nice transition from the movie to the edit. Now let's do CC, or what we call color correction. Click on adjust. Increase the sharpness to either 80 or 100. Lower the saturation by 10. Increase the highlight by 20. Go to filter, retro, and click on friends. Decrease the intensity to between 35 and 45. Drag the adjustments to affect all the layers. We want to add more spice to the edit. Go to the text and type I. Increase the size and zoom it out till it covers the screen. Go to animation, then loop. Choose the flash animation. Change the speed to about 0.5 seconds. Go to the style and change the color to black and decrease the opacity to 25. Now add a white pick as an overlay. Change the blend mode to overlay and intensity to 20. Add a black overlay this time and do this. Go to mask. Click on the horizontal mask and do this. Go to Effects, Light Effect, and add Halo. Let the speed be 10 and the atmosphere be 25. You can further increase the quality by using the Wing app.
I have a plan. Attack.
Drop a comment on what you want to learn next. Like and subscribe. I am Edney and I gotta go.